Hello my dorklings, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out a lavalier microphone from Bauer. Taking a quick look at the front of the box, we can see it's omnidirectional wireless transmission and it's rechargeable. It's USB-C and it's clip-on. Taking a look at the back of the box here, we can see it's got clear audio, a charging port, lavalier clip, power button, USB-C receiver, and all of these specs about it. Taking everything out of the box, we have everything just kind of placed on top. Got a USB-C cable, wireless receiver, and the microphone in one. It's kind of weird, but I understand. Here's our quick start guide. Apparently it's just plug and play. We'll see about that. So first off, we're gonna take a look at the microphone. It's got USB-C, it's got a clip that looks like it kind of slides on and off. Yeah, but it is only in one specific direction, which kind of stinks. And we've got the power button on the back and the microphone itself. As far as the receiver goes, it's just a pretty standard plug and play device, it seems like. Not sure why the plastic is scratched up and dirty already. Well, that's not a good sign. So it says it works with phones, tablets, and computers. My computer has a USB-C port in it, as well as my phone, so we're gonna try both. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see here we have a green light, and the receiver is actually plugged into my phone. I'm talking a little bit quieter than I normally would because I'm not sure how sensitive this microphone is. But the green indicator light indicates apparently that this is on and transmitting. My phone also said that it is transmitting via USB, so we'll see about that. This is me talking normal, obviously holding the lavalier microphone. I do want to test it further by hooking it to my shirt, my hat. I've got some glasses that I'll put it on as well, so we can do some testing with that. First up, the shirt. Hopefully you guys can see here, I have the lavalier microphone clipped to my shirt. Just kind of trying to make some noise while I talk and see if it picks it up, how bad it picks it up, if it picks it up at all, if it picks my voice up, what's loud, what's not, etc., etc. Next up is my hat. It's omnidirectional, so it should pick me up even though it is above and off to the side. Hopefully it sounds about the same as my shirt, if not maybe better, I guess, because it's above my mouth and not below my mouth. I'm not sure. For the final test, we have the microphone on the right side of my glasses here. It's upwards, not downwards. I don't know if there's really any way to reposition it. This looks a little bit better though. So for this next portion, I'm going to hook up the microphone to my computer. I will be right back. Okay, so I have the receiver hooked up to my computer. The green light is on and solid, meaning it should be picking me up. In my recording software, it says it's picking me up. I guess we'll have to see. All right, so now same test as before, starting with the shirt. This is what it sounds like whenever I'm talking and it is below my mouth and on my shirt. This is what it sounds like whenever I talk and it is above the brim on the right side of my hat. And this is what the microphone sounds like clipped to the side of my glasses. As a bonus that I didn't think of until just now, I have the microphone hooked up to my headphones, and this microphone is disabled. We only have the wireless one doing the input, which in my opinion is a lot more sleek and probably the best route to go if you are a streamer or something along those lines where you have a headset. I think that's going to be the end of this review. I haven't heard any of the audio yet, so hopefully this wasn't a waste of time. Let me know in the comments down below what are your guys' thoughts on the microphone. Does it pick me up okay? Does it not pick me up okay? Will you be picking this up at all? Will you be picking up multiple? Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments down below.